Royal Institution Grade 1 listed home set to surpass sustainability target. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. The Royal Institution, RI, is on track to achieve a 42% reduction in carbon emissions at its Grade 1 listed Georgian home on Albemarle Street. Funded by a £4.35 million grant from the Mayor of London, the green overhaul surpassed the RI's original sustainability target of 35%. The iconic building's energy performance certificate jumped from a commercial D to a B rating, placing it in the top 20% of UK non-domestic properties. The 225-year-old building already meets the strict energy efficiency standards expected for all UK commercial buildings by 2030, beating the deadline by 4 years. Project Footprint proves that London's historic, protected architecture can become a sustainability leader without compromising its heritage. The RI has installed air source heat pumps and eliminated natural gas for everything except essential laboratory research. A new intelligent building management system will learn how the building operates using CO2 sensors in the famous lecture theatre to optimize fresh airflow. The building's Georgian windows were treated with an innovative solar reflective coating pioneered by a UK climate tech startup. The upgrades were completed with minimal closures to the Free Science Museum, allowing the 200th Christmas lectures and sensitive lab research to continue. The building holds immense historical significance. It was in these basement labs that John Tyndall first proved the greenhouse effect between 1859 and 1861. The RI's archive protects Tyndall's original 19th century notebooks, alongside apparatus and discoveries from pioneers like Michael Faraday and Humphrey Davy. The eco-friendly building serves as the headquarters for Undaunted, a climate tech partnership with Imperial College London, whose startups have raised over $1.3 billion globally. Catherine Matheson, director of the Royal Institution, said, "While the science of the greenhouse effect may have been established at the RI, today we face the same challenges as the UK's many other iconic heritage spaces in adapting our 300-year-old building to meet our climate responsibilities." Matheson continued, "We are extremely grateful for the Mayor of London's visionary support, which has demonstrated that the UK's hard-to-tackle older buildings can achieve dramatic carbon reductions while preserving centuries of history." Matheson added, "We would be delighted to share our learnings, including the challenges, from our project with custodians of other such cherished assets who are looking to start a similar journey." Metty Coburn, Deputy Mayor for Environment and Energy, said, "This incredible transformation shows how every organisation can play their part in tackling the climate crisis, regardless of the age or status of commercial buildings, and acts as an inspiration to other historic organisations across the city." Alyssa Gilbert, Director of Undaunted, Director of Innovation at Imperial's Grantham Institute, and Co-Director, Imperial School of Convergent Science, Sustainability, said, "Project Footprint is a great example of the kind of pilot scheme that helps Londoners understand the direct benefits of new technologies, as well as getting a sense of how these technologies can help us tackle the climate crisis." Gilbert added, "In many parts of our lives, our homes and other buildings included, it's going to take a pioneering attitude to help validate and scale new green technologies in a real-world setting." Scott Evans, Project Manager at Coniston, said, "What made it genuinely fascinating was doing all of that while the building stayed operational as far as possible. Every crane lift, every roof installation, every system changeover was planned around the day-to-day life of the building." To learn more, read the full article in our feature category. Read more at TWinFM.com.